Just at the gas station right now, and in a little bit I'm gonna get my day started. I'm gonna head to this gallery in a little bit, and it's featuring work by this person whose name I know I'm gonna butcher, so I'll just kind of throw it up on the screen somewhere. But it's really cool. Like, I was really drawn to it because it looked really beautiful, but at the same time it's a very unconventional type of beauty. The main reason I wanted to come check out this exhibit was to see these sculptures that the artist made. I think he just used stuff that he found to make these abstract sculptures of people, and on Instagram they look super interesting, which is why I wanted to come check it out. So those sculptures were definitely as cool as I thought they were gonna be. When I was checking out the pieces, it almost felt like at any moment they could come alive and just start moving. I don't know if it was just me or if there was some kind of quality that made it that way, but that's how it felt. But I'm on my way to the next gallery now, which I'm super excited about. This next exhibit that I'm headed to, I've actually been to once before. On that day that I visited the gallery though, I only had a chance to check out the pieces for like a quick second, but what I saw blew my mind, so I wanted to come back and check out the exhibit all over again, this time having a little bit more time. So I just finished checking out the exhibit. I'm definitely glad that I went back to the gallery to check it out one more time. I had way more time this time around to check out the pieces, and I was able to see everything that I wanted to see. That last gallery that I just visited was pretty much the last one that I was going to today. And this next place that I'm going to is actually a restaurant, and it's gonna be the last thing that I'm gonna do today. The reason why I'm going to this restaurant is because I need to shoot one last scene for this short film that I'm gonna put out. So that's pretty much my day. That meal was dope as hell. The seafood in there was super bomb, and I just really enjoyed myself. But yeah, now I'm just gonna head home, edit a video, and pretty much post something by the end of the day.